Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Percy for automated UI screenshot comparisons, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Percy for automated UI screenshot comparisons, begin by creating a Percy account. Visit the Percy website and sign up for a free trial if you don't already have an account. Once registered, log in to your Percy dashboard. Next, navigate to the Get Started section for detailed setup instructions. Select the programming language and framework that you are using for your project. Follow the specific instructions provided for integrating Percy into your project. Install the necessary Percy SDK using your package manager. For example, if you are using Node.js, run the command specified in the setup instructions. After installing the SDK, create a new Percy configuration file in your project's root directory. In this file, define your project name and any other relevant settings. Next, integrate Percy into your test suite. For most frameworks, this involves wrapping your visual tests with Percy's specific commands. Make sure to set up your CI/CD pipeline to include Percy. This ensures that Percy captures screenshots on every pull request. Commit your changes to your version control system. Push your changes to trigger a new build in your CI/CD system. Once your build is complete, go back to your Percy dashboard. You should see a new project entry with your initial batch of generated screenshots. Review the screenshots Percy has captured for any visual differences. If there are discrepancies, you can approve or reject changes directly from the dashboard. To finalize the integration, ensure that your tests run consistently in your CI/CD pipeline. With these steps completed, your Percy setup for automated UI screenshot comparisons is now active. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.